So yeah, we got the shelter in place going on, and I've decided to start cooking again. I was a big eat out person, but that's not happening. So this is what I got going on. I got a little chicken noodle soup made from scratch, and let's have you take a look at it. Yeah, we got the pasta boiling. This is looking pretty good. This has been simmering for probably 4 or 5 hours. It's got some chicken in there, obviously, carrots, celery, some spices. It's tasting pretty good. Just waiting for this to get done. And this will last me for, I don't know, maybe a week. I'm not really sure. So it's good that we have a flowing supply of Fernet and breakfast items, and just hunkered down here. So everyone be safe out there. I'll be cooking something else soon.